Okay, after that disclaimer, let's take a look at my radioactive collection as of July 2011. It contains small samples with relatively low activities, but I still take precaution with these because of the radioactivity. Mishandling these can be dangerous and even lethal in long terms. Let us start with the thorium-based part of my collection. This includes thoriated welding electrodes and gas mantles, euxenite, polycrase, thorite in different sizes, aeschynite, and iron-rich thorogummite. Here I use my gamma scout to measure the activity of the thorogummite. I have set the alarm quite high at 50 microsieverts an hour, so the gamma scout will start to tick over this level. This time it peaked at 89 microsieverts an hour. My normal background level is 0.12 microsieverts an hour, so this piece of thorogummite measures 744 times the normal background level. Not bad. Next I'll show you my special thorite sample, which is cut like a gemstone. If the Grim Reaper ever were to wear jewelry, this would be it. Dark and deadly. But quite beautiful actually. The camera doesn't do it justice. The seller did point out that this is not suitable as jewelry. He wasn't kidding. Next up is the radium-based part of my collection. These are radium painted watch hands. I hate them. They cause so many deaths amongst the women that painted them. They emit a lot of radon, and even a tiny speck of paint that falls off these loose spare hands is highly active. Much safer are the sealed vacuum tubes used in radars during World War II. I have a single Westinghouse 1B45 and two Western Electric 1B22. It is the 1B22 tubes you see in the video. As you can see, one of the boxes is still sealed. It has remained unopened since June 1945. That's over 66 years. Moving on to the americium-based sources. I have a total of 9 americium oxide discs in various stages of the extraction process from smoke detectors. 3 with an amount of 37 kilobecquerel and 6 with 33 kilobecquerel. When I turn on the ticker in the gamma scout, it starts screaming from all the alpha particles hitting it. And then it passes out. Too much for it to handle. Luckily, with only the alarm turned on, it manages to get a proper reading. The radiation is almost entirely alpha particles, which can't even penetrate the outer layer of dead cells in your skin, so it is relatively safe radiation. Last but not least, my colorful uranium-based collection. What you see is uranium glass, thoriated with siderite, betaphyte, uraninite, torbanite, samarskite, boltwoodite, autunite, samarskite with ytterbium, uraninite with gummite, and more torbanite. I also have some of the famous uranium glazed pottery. This is not the Fiestaware brand, it is marked GMBC, and the other ones in my collection are from Vernon Kills. They are actually orange in real life, but my camera picks them up as red. Here is a half-gram sample of the infamous depleted uranium. It emits almost only alpha particles, which are stopped by the glass, so I'm not picking up that much activity from it. I'm not taking it out of the ampule though, since it is also toxic. Sorry for the bad lighting, but it peaks at 2.0 something microsieverts an hour.